I finally found the newest way you can start making money right here on YouTube. And the sweetest part, you don't need to upload any long form videos, you don't need to upload shorts, and YouTube is still going to be paying you a lot of money. Now, look at this screenshot. This is the earnings of one of my students. This guy literally earns nothing less than $1,000 every single month here on YouTube. And the most amazing part is that this guy does not sit down to film, to edit, to upload and optimize any video on his channel, because he literally does not upload any long form videos on his channel. And obviously he is not making this kind of money from shorts, and this guy is literally earning much more than a lot of creators that are uploading every blessed day here on YouTube. Now, there's a secret part in which you can start making money here on YouTube that 99% of creators are not aware of. I feel it is just 1% of creators here on YouTube that actually knows this exact part to make money here on YouTube. Imagine having to make this amount of money without having to stress yourself of filming, editing, scripting, optimizing, and going through all that stress, but yet you're still going to be making a lot of money. Now, this is the exact part that I want to share with you in this video. Now, if part of your goal is to make money here on YouTube, then you want to stay with me on this video, because I'm going to be walking you through step by step how this guy actually makes this kind of money right from his channel. And I'm also going to be sharing with you 4 things you need to do to be able to get started to start making this kind of revenue on your channel. Before we head into that, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Buki, and on this channel I share tips that can help you grow very fast on YouTube, and also share tips and things you need to avoid as a YouTuber. So if this sounds like what you want for your channel, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more tips that can help your channel grow. And with that being said, let's just head straight into the main video. Now, one big mistake that I see a lot of creators make is not making a lot of research. Now, 99% of creators on YouTube actually depend on making their money just from, filming, editing, and having to upload it here on YouTube. And you know how stressful it is. Whereas there's another part in which you can also make money here on YouTube without stress. All you just need is your data and a mobile phone. In fact, you don't need to have a fancy phone, you don't need to have an iPhone. You can actually use that Android that you have, and you're still going to make money. Now, the pathway in which this student of mine is making money here on YouTube is through live stream. Yes, you heard me, live stream. I know you're probably wondering, is it the live stream that we all know? Yes, it is the live stream that you have been ignoring. It is the live stream that you see that I can't make money. This guy is literally making a lot of money, more than you that you're uploading every blessed day here on YouTube. Now, just so you know that this is not far-fetched, this was when he reached out to me on the 27th January 2026. He had issues while trying to make money online on YouTube, and this is the reason why you should stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to be telling you some things you must never do while you're trying to make money on your live stream, and I'm going to show you how you can get started. Now, the 4 important things that you need to be able to get started, the first one is you need to pick a specific niche, and then you need to stay on that particular niche. Now, this student of mine is actually into the fitness niche, and that is what he does on his own live streaming. So you need to pick one niche that you know that you'll be doing consistently on that live stream. Now, the second thing you need to do is to start going live consistently. I'm just going to share my screen to show us some of the things that this guy does on his channel, and I'm also going to share the remaining 2 things you need to do on your channel to get started. This is his channel. He told me to keep his channel private, so that's why I'm not going to show his name. Right now, you can see what this guy does is literally going live every day. Now, I think he goes live about 3 to 4 times per day, and he spends almost 1 hour on each live streaming. Now, look at the intervals in which he stay online. You can see 2 hours ago it was live, 18 hours ago it was live, 19 hours ago it was live, and look at the views it's accumulating. Now, I know you may be wondering, if I should start live streaming, how would I start getting views? Let me show you something. Now, you can see he started his channel 7 months ago, and it was not getting a lot of views, 100 views, 200, 500 views. But now, with consistency, you can see the amount of views is accumulating, and that is how he makes his money. Now, this was the mail that was sent to me by YouTube yesterday. A new way to connect and earn on your live stream. So you can see this is 100% by YouTube. A new way to connect and earn with gifts, ready to level up your next live stream. Viewers can now unlock gifts, turning every interaction into a playful connection. This is how it works. Whenever you go live, your fans can actually buy you jewels in bundles, which they can use to send different gifts during your live stream. When a gift is sent, you receive rubies, which are a new way to earn through your live stream. The earnings from rubies are paid through your AdSense for YouTube. Now, the ways in which you can actually make money, you can see tips to boost engagement and earnings. Mention your gift on your live stream. That is why you need to have a niche. Like I said, not be doing something boring on your live stream and expect people to, give you gifts. You understand? You can also give shout outs to your gifters, use gifts to create special moments, like a lot of tips on how you can actually make money from your live stream. The most important thing, pick a very, very catchy niche. For you to replicate same thing, you need to have at least 50 subscribers on your channel before you can go live. And if you don't have 50 subscribers, you can check one of my videos. I'm going to drop it here. Within 24 hours, you should have more than 50 subscribers. Now, once you have your 50 subscribers handy, go to your YouTube app and click on the plus icon. Now, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see videos, shorts, live, and posts. Okay, so you're going to click on live. And the next thing is click on that pencil icon. You're going to see this interface pop up like this. Now, you can actually change the title if you wish, depending on your niche, right? So for me, I'm into the YouTube growth niche. I can just say, let's talk about YouTube growth. If you're into cooking, you can just say, cook with me. Just make sure it's something related to your niche. Now, the next thing is, especially if you're going live for the very first time, you can actually go live or collaborate with another creator to go live together. Okay, now you can see this go live together. So this particular feature gives you like a visibility. It's just like the collaboration feature you use to collaborate with big creators with your videos, but this one is for live streaming. Okay, so you can actually collaborate through live streaming with other creators. So if you have someone that is also doing something like this or has bigger audience, you can decide to collaborate with them. Just click on the go live and then click on next. And another thing, make sure that the person you're collaborating with, you guys are doing the same thing. And the next thing is click on next, and it is going to show this interface. What you want to do is either click on copy link or send invite link. Okay, so you can use copy invite link if you've spoken to the other creator that you want to collaborate with on your live stream. Okay, this is just to give you like a visibility for you to be able to stand on your own. Right now, after you just copy the link, send it to the person either on email or WhatsApp, and once the person accepts, then you can decide to go live. It's a proof of what I'm saying. You can see my chat with him. So you made all this from live stream. Wow, what's your CPM? Because I was also surprised when I saw his revenue. He said, yes, super chat donation. Let me check my CPM. He's actually making all this money right from live stream, not from videos, not from shorts. So you see that you can actually make money right from live streaming without having to upload any video on your channel, without having to sit down to film. Right now, the first thing you actually need to do is to make sure that you read the community guidelines for live stream. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video so that I can just go through it before you start going live on your channel, so that you're going to know the do's and don'ts. Right, so if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to see my next one. Bye.